Yo, I like a fit, man. What do you do for a living?
Thank you. I'm a software engineer here.
For real?
Yeah.
Can I tour your place real quick?
Tour my place? Are you one of those YouTubers then?
Yeah, for sure I am.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Welcome to this luxury apartment in Midtown Manhattan, where the walls are within a couple steps from each other. It's a nice little intimate studio that's about probably 100 square foot or so. You'll notice there's actually no bathroom in here. That's because New Yorkers typically don't use the bathroom. The city is their bathroom. But if you need to, there's a sink and there's a whole kitchenette right here for you to use. You've got the microwave and the refrigerator combo, as well as a nice sink. The best part about this apartment is that it's designed for absolute efficiency. Whether you're a commuter or someone looking to do things on the go, this is a really small and compact space that's good for you. You have the classic historical red brickwork on the wall, as well as a nice heater and a good bed for the size as you need. But one of the best parts is the view, and this is what you're really paying for. You have the view right here, classic New York apartment view. Now, this whole studio is going to cost you around $3,300 a month, which, given that it's actually located inside the Empire State Building, is actually a really good deal. And fun fact, this is actually the apartment where one of the toes of King Kong gripped onto the side of the building as he was being attacked by planes in the movie, which is a pretty cool fact. So yeah, come by here to New York if you want to live here.